values are the guiding principle that help us choose what is right and live a meaningful life. They shape our thoughts, words, and actions. Just like if we want to make coffee, if the coffee powder is not mixed, it cannot become a real coffee. In the same way, if a person does not include the main 5 values in their life, he cannot be called a true human being. He may look human from outside, but without these values, his life loses its true essence. Just like water without coffee powder cannot become a coffee. These 5 values are the roots of humanity. They make us kind, truthful, peaceful, responsible, and gentle. A person who follows these 5 values lives a life full of meaning and respect for others.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we all are here to present a very meaningful topic, human values. Human values are the guiding principles that help us to live a good, peaceful and respectful life. They are just like the roots of a tree, invisible but essential.
सुप्रभात सभी को। आज हम एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण विषय प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका विषय है मानव मूल्य। मानव मूल्य वो सितारा जो हमें अच्छा, शांतिपूर्ण और सार्थक जीवन जीना सिखाता है।
ह्यूमन वैल्यूज सत्य, धर्म, शांति, प्रेम और अहिंसा। अगर हम इन 5 मूल्य का जीवन में सही प्रयोग करें तो हमारा जीवन सार्थक और सफल हो जाता है।
Truth. Truth means honesty and fairness. It is like the strong roots of a tree. We should be honest and fair in everything. When we speak and act in a truthful manner, we become strong and everyone truthful.
P. Peace means living happily and calmly without argument. It brings happiness to everyone. To live in peace, we must first control our anger and negative thoughts. We should learn to forgive others instead of just fighting and arguing. Helping people and speaking politely, it gives us peace to our heart. Do you know, when we spend time with family and nature, it gives us inner peace. We must avoid jealousy and learn to be happy with what we have.
Right conduct, right conduct means behaving properly and doing the right thing. It keeps our life disciplined. Right conduct makes our life more enjoyable for us and for those who come in contact with us. It helps us to be a successful person. We should say please when asking and thank you when receiving. This quality should take place since childhood to take firm roots.
Love. Love means caring for others and being good. It makes happiness and strong bond. It helps to make the earth a happy place to live. As it is said, love is the bridge that connects one heart to another.
प्रेम वह शक्ति है जो सबको जोड़ती है। प्रेम से भरा मन कभी इंसान नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि जहाँ प्रेम है वहाँ ईश्वर का वास है।
Love and truth is speech. Love and action is right action. Love and thought is peace. Love and understanding other oneness is non-violence.
Non-violent. Non-violent means never hurting anyone. It makes the world safe and friendly. Non-violence is not to be destroyed. It is to be a good person in our life. Non-violence is a powerful way to solve problems peacefully. It means resolving conflicts without hurting others.
All these 5 values are interconnected like 5 petals of a flower, and when these values are together, life becomes beautiful and harmonious. ये 5 मूल्य आपस में जुड़े हुए हैं जैसे एक फूल की 5 पंखुड़ियाँ, और जब ये 5 मूल्य एक साथ होते हैं, जीवन सुंदर और संतुलित बन जाता है। The 5 value can be linked to the 5 fingers. Together, the 5 fingers lead to strength. In the same way, when the 5 human values are together, it results in cooperation and unity, which is true human life.
क्या आप जानते हैं, जैसे हमारी हथेली तभी पूरी होती है जब 5 उंगलियां साथ चलती है, वैसे ही हमारा जीवन तभी सुंदर बनता है जब 5 मानव मूल्य हमारे हृदय में बसते हैं। तो आइए इन मूल्यों को अपनी 5 उंगलियों से जोड़कर समझते हैं।
As the thumb is the strongest finger, truth is the strongest value. Just like we use our thumb to hold things, truth helps us to hold our life. Your eyes will speak truth when everything else is lie. If you speak truth, it may hurt a while, but if you speak lie, it hurts forever.
Index finger related to the human value peace. as the index finger is used to point and guide. Similarly, on the other hand, the value of peace is to live calmly and make good decisions in our life. Like calm water, peace helps us to solve problems calmly and stay cool. Index finger related to the human value peace through its association with balance, guidance and the calming of the mind.
जब व्यक्ति के भीतर शांति होती है तो परिवार, समाज और विश्व में शांति होती है। शांति मन की सबसे बड़ी संपत्ति होती है। When there is peace in our individual, there is peace in our family. When there is peace in our family, there is peace in our community. When there is peace in our community, there is peace in our nation. When there is peace in our nation, there is peace in our whole world.
Middle finger is related to right thumb. Middle finger is the tallest and reminding to stand tall and do the right thing. Right thumb means following rules and behaving properly. As earth supports all life, similarly, right thumb gives a strong foundation of our life.
The ring finger is related to the human value love. Love helps us care for others, and as we all know, love is the main weapon of our lives that helps us to maintain our bonds firmly. Love spreads kindness in every corner of the world. It is the only capable value of turning an enemy to a friend. As when people love, they become better, and when they become better, everything around them starts to be a
Baby finger is related to non-violence. Baby finger is small, but it is important for balance and support. Non-violence may seem small, but it supports a safe and happy life.
So let's connect the 5 human values with the 5 elements of nature.
तो आइए देखते हैं प्रकृति के 5 तत्व और इन्हें कैसे दर्शाते हैं।
Earth, doing the right thing is like the ground we stand on. It helps us have a good and strong life. I follow rules and do what's right, just like the earth provides everyone a solid place to be. Water flows calmly and acting cool. Trees help us remain calm and raise all conflict growth.
Fire illuminates, exposes, and removes darkness just like the truth brings clarity and honesty. I speak the truth to remove confusion, and fire lights up, remove darkness. Ear is everywhere, they keep everyone, just like love, spread kindness. I care for everyone around me, my parents, teacher, and all and like air reaches all places. Air is invisible but vital, just like in a fish.
Space and non-violence. Non-violence is not only the absence of physical harm, it is the presence of understanding, patience, and respect. The idea of peace plays a vital role in nurturing non-violence. Where there is peace, there is freedom, and where there is freedom, there is non-violence.
Earth says stand firm, do what's right responsibly, makes you with right. Water says flow with love, gentle and kind compassion and care bring peace of mind. Fire says shine little, let the honesty glow like sunlight. Guide others wherever you go. Air says be calm, be peaceful and breathe free. Balance and harmony makes life happy. Space says embrace all. Non-violence and true unity and respect make the world grow. जब ये 5 तत्व संतुलन में रहते हैं तो प्रकृति में सौंदर्य जीवन होता है। इसी तरह जब हमारे 5 मूल्य संतुलन में रहते हैं तो प्रकृति में शांति रहती है।
Now let me introduce you with the value tree. The picture shows the value tree, a tree that teaches us to grow good values in our life. Just like fruits grow on a healthy tree, each part of the tree stands for an important human value. Let's understand it simply. Moral of the tree: just like a tree gives shade, fruits and beauty, a person who grows the 5 values truth, peace, love, non-violence and right conduct makes the world a happier and a better place. Moral insight: when the truth is root, right conduct the trunk, peace the branches and love the blossoms. Non-violence becomes the fruit that nourishes the world. Just like a tree cannot grow without strong roots, human life cannot flourish without core values. The trunk gives support, branches spread value in society, leaves show our daily behavior and fruits are the result of living a value-based life. So be like this tree.
जब हम इन 5 मूल्यों के साथ जीवन जीते हैं, सत्य, धर्म, शांति, प्रेम और अहिंसा, तो हमारा जीवन एक ऐसे वृक्ष की तरह बन जाता है जो सबको छाया, फल और खुशी देता है। जब जीवन का पेड़ इन पांचों मूल्यों से सींचा जाता है तब वह पेड़ फलता फूलता है और सबको फल छाया और खुशियां देता है.
Each sense connects to one element, smell to earth, taste to water, sight to fire, and hearing to space. So when our senses are pure, our values shine bright. क्या आप जानते हैं कि प्रकृति में हर चीज पांच से जुड़ी हुई है? 5 तत्व, 5 इंद्रियां, 5 उंगलियां और 5 मानव मूल्य.
Earth says stand firm, do what is right. Water says flow with love, gentle and kind. Fire says shine with truth, remove all lie. Air says stand calm, let peace arise. Space embrace with no ego.
जब हमारी इंद्रियां नियंत्रित होती हैं तब हमारे मूल्य प्रकट होते हैं. मंत्रों की ध्वनि, ध्यान और अच्छे कर्म हमारे पूरे मन और शरीर को शुद्ध कर देते हैं. धरती का है सही करो, सच्चे बनो. पानी का है प्रेम से बहो, कोमल बनो. अग्नि का है सत्य से चमको, ईमानदार बनो. वायु का है शांत रहो, संतुलित रहो. आकाश का है सबको अपनाओ, अहिंसक बनो.
Let's live our values for a better self, a better society and a better world.
तो आइए इन मूल्यों के साथ जिए ताकि बने एक श्रेष्ठ व्यक्ति, श्रेष्ठ समाज और श्रेष्ठ विश्व. धन्यवाद.